Hi everyone, Oleg Tkach here with your weekly rate update. And this week, finally I could bring you guys some good news. The debt limit has been increased. The debt ceiling issues that we had last week and the week before that were pushing rates up got resolved. And just like we mentioned last week in our rate update video, if the debt ceiling gets resolved, rates will come down quickly. That's exactly what happened. Rates pretty much went from you could say low sevens to the mid sixes in the matter of 2 days, this is great news for everyone right now that's looking to purchase. Everybody's pre-approved. Everybody's thinking about being pre-approved. Now, in addition to that, there was a jobs report that came out today, and it was a little bit conflicting. But I want to mention it because it's very, very important because it could change the market a little bit next week depending on how investors interpret it. Overall, way more jobs were added than expected. Almost double the amount of jobs that were projected to be added got added. Yet on the same side, on the flip side, unemployment went up a lot more than what the analysts were predicting as well. Therefore, you have more jobs that were added, yet more unemployment as well. As you guys know, we've been talking about how the Federal Reserve wants more unemployment. They want that because they want inflation to come down, more people unemployed, less people spending, less demand, inflation comes down. So with that said, this report came out a little contradictory, but nonetheless, overall, solid week, very, very, very solid week for rates. Now, let's talk about the next Fed meeting. Right now, the chances that the Fed will hike as of today, as I'm speaking, are very, very low. The overall projections right now are the Fed's going to skip the hike in June. As long as that continues, we might see rates come down a little further. At the same time, too, as far as July goes in their July meeting, it's still to be determined. So overall right now, solid week for rates, definitely something new and refreshing based on what we had. Great news that the debt ceiling got passed because if it didn't, rates could have shot up into the 8s, which would be really, really bad for everybody in real estate and in mortgage and everything. So with that said, that is your weekly rate update. We'll keep you updated as we go. We hope you have a great weekend. If there's anything we can do for you, we do have weekend coverage. Reach out to us. We're here to help. Have a good one.